Hi, I'm Shannon, and I'm in the Bio 181 lab, and this is the video for Fern. Isaiah Palacio and Hannah are also in my group. All plants undergo a life cycle that takes them through both haploid and diploid generations. So these are the haploid, the egg and the sperm, and then goes through fertilization to become diploid. The multicellular diploid plant structure is called the sporophyte, which produces spores through mitosis or asexual division. The haploid plant structure is called the gametophyte, which form from the spore and give rise to the haploid gametes.
Okay, so plants can reproduce both asexually and sexually, but as far as our project, we're doing ferns, and ferns tend to produce asexually. They do certain methods of asexual reproduction. So pretty much what happens is you start with the spore, which is found underneath the leaves of the plants, and then once they mature into an adult stage, then they turn into like a brown-like substance, which then falls down into soil and makes contact with it.
Hi, I'm Isaiah Palacio. For the past 9 weeks in my Bio 181 lab class, we've been growing a fern. At first, our teacher gave us an auger plate, which she had placed the spores of a fern inside, and we had to place it under a light source, and with my group, we watered it every other day. This particular fern I brought to my house, and at first I put it in front of the window in my bedroom thinking it would get enough light, but after a few weeks I found out it wasn't getting enough light, so I moved it to the window of my kitchen, and it started to show progress.
I'm Hannah Hughes, and I am a part of the 181 lab class for biology. My partners were Shannon and Isaiah, and that is our educational video on alteration of generations and how plants reproduce, and as well as how we grew our fern.